This tutorial will show you how to fade out video clips in Capcut PC, free online video editing software, completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to fade out video clips in Capcut PC, let's say you want to fade out, I have a video clip right here, a video clip right here, and then another one. In this case, click and select your video clip, and then go to the top right hand screen under video. Next to transform, we have the option blend. Make sure this is checked and click so it drops down. And under opacity, you want to click this keyframe, and it adds a keyframe, as you can see, a diamond icon. And then click this and then drag this to the left. And as you can see or notice that the video is getting darker, or it's fading out. And then go to the designated portion of the video, let's say right here, and then go back to opacity and drag this to the right. In this case, I want this 100% so that the video fades in completely. Now, this is what we have. If you want to apply the same effect to fade in and to save some time onto this video clip and onto this video clip, you can right click the video and click copy attributes, and then click your other video clip and hold down Control and click your other video clip, in this case this one right here, and see how they're both selected and highlighted. Right click and click paste attributes, and then click paste. It says paste, click paste anyways, and now as we can see, it fades in. And then our other video clips are slowly fading in Capcut PC online completely for free.